Okay, so let's review real quick. This is what we did last time. So if I had a rectangle here and I had 1, 2, 3 up at the top and 1 and 3/4 right here. So if I were to look at the whole thing, I would look at it like, here's my 3, right? 3 holes. But then down here, this part here is my 1 hole, and this part here is my fraction, 3/4. So we were taking this and breaking it up, and we were saying, okay, I have 1 3/4 times 3 in order to find the area. But the first thing I want to do is take 1 times 3, or 3 times 1. So let's say 3 times 1, 3 times 1, and then we were saying 3 times the fraction. So 3 times 3/4. 3 times 3/4. So we had our whole number, and then that takes care of this piece, but we still need to do 3 times the fraction. So 3 times 1 is 3, plus 3 wholes is not just 3. As a fraction, it's 3/1 times 3/4. So 3 times 3 equals 9, and 1 times 4 equals 4. Now 4 can go into 9 2 times. It can go into 9 2 times because 4 times 2 is 8, and then we have 1 left over, 1/4, okay? So now we have the 3 plus the 2 and 1/4. So it's 5 and 1/4. Let's say inches squared. So let's review one more. So here I have 2 units. Let's say it's inches. And here I have 4 1/3 inches. First thing I'm going to do, 2 times 4. So 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 1/3. 2 times 1/3. So we've got to solve for that, right? But I want you to think about what we're doing here. It should look familiar. It should look 2 times 4 plus 2 times 1/3. We know that this is 8. Bring down the plus. 2 wholes is 2/1 times 1/3. 2 times 1, 2. 1 times 3, 3. So our area is 8 plus 2/3, which equals 8 2/3 inches squared.